What's going on, Holla Gang? Holla Gang, what's going on with ya? Before this video even start, before I even get into everything, I got a PSA. I got a PSA, especially for I don't want to be wrong, but this is a safety issue. That's something new that's going on. My black men, do not, I repeat, do not fall into a trap that these foreigners are putting off. They are giving away, they're trying to give away jewelry, rings, necklaces, to lure you in, to say that they give it to you for some gas money. That's why I'm at a gas station. Let y'all know, it's not this one. It didn't happen to me at this gas station, but it didn't happen twice. At two different kind of gas stations. Two different kind of, but they were basically somewhat of the same nationality. But y'all got to be careful. Y'all got to be careful. Y'all have to be careful out here, because they asking for gas money, and that's not what it is. Because you know good and daggone well, if you pay some money for some jewelry, you're not giving it away. Two, if they need some gas money, why don't they stick around and ask other people for some gas money? But they not doing that. They not doing that. Once you tell them no, they are gone. Yes, once you tell them no, they are gone. You turn around, they gone, and they ride, and they are in a nice car. Do not fall in that trap. So, my black men, that's the only people that they are asking. I have found out that's it. That is their MO. They are targeting us because I don't know, but y'all be careful. Y'all be careful out here. But hey, we have to watch out for each other. So y'all need to share this video, share this part. Hey, y'all have to. We gotta be careful out here. Real talk. Now holla that. But it's time. That's it for the rant, the PSA. Did you say holla with me? Did you? Are you ready to say holla with me? You ready? Holler! Yes! Hit that subscribe button. Hit the share button. Hit the notification bell to let me know that you said it. Now with that being said, let's get into it. What's going on, Holla Gang? This is the time where y'all need to get in, hit the link in the description, get your merch, get your Holla gear, and show your support. All you gotta do is hit the link, go to the merch store, grab your Holla gear, and I want to start seeing it. So once you get your Holla gear, hey, go to Holla back on IG, take your picture, tag me in it, because we going up, we growing. So let's show that you part of it. Let's show that you part of it. You ready? Let's go. My man. say holler with me? Did you say holler? Did you say holler with Ace? If not, here's your chance. Here's your chance. Holler! Yeah! Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell to let me know that you said it. That's right. I got another interview for you. Here we go. All right, we got another video. You see it. All right, we got another nephew. All right, here we go. I got 2 questions for you.
For sure.
2.
Yo.
1, what kind of ride you got? No, let me rephrase that, player. Hey, what kind of ride are you spinning?
Alright, so I'm spinning a Dodge Charger RT, 157. You know what I mean? It's just an RT, you know what I mean?
And what year?
It's a 17.
17. Here we go. We got to do the famous walk around. There it is. Here we go. Let's adjust. There we go. Y'all see it. Y'all know what it is. All right. Second question, the most important. What 3 things would you do if Ace gave you the money? What 3 things would you do to this ride if Ace gave you the money?
Alright, so I'll put a tune on here, I'll get a rap, and then I'll fill up my car for like 5 weeks.
There you go. You know that the prices of gas is so freaking high. You gotta respect that last one. You gotta respect it. But here we go. Y'all already know how I end the video. I holler back.